Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is a simple chapati but not with wheat flour, it's with ragi flour. Kindly watch the video till the end to know the tips and tricks to get a soft ragi chapati. The ingredients are listed for your reference. Tip 1. To make ragi chapati soft, take equal amount of ragi flour and water. The flour which I have used here is store-bought whole ragi, sun-dried and then grinded in a local mill. You can use as per your wish. I have taken 2 cups of ragi flour, so I am taking exactly 2 cups of water in a vessel and boiling it. Add required amount of salt needed. Tip 2. The water has to be boiled till it reaches bubbling stage. Then goes 2 cups of ragi flour in a shift basis. Mix well. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Tip 3. Please cook in a low flame, else it will be burnt. Tip 4. After 5 minutes, wet your hands in cold water and touch the flour. It should not stick on your hand. At that time, turn off your flame and transfer it to a plate to cool down. When it's warm, add 1 teaspoon of oil and start kneading. Tip 5. Kneading is a very important step, so you have to knead it properly. Knead well till all the flour combines together to make a dough. Once the dough is made, it should be in a ball shape. Apply 1 teaspoon of oil on the outer surface to prevent it from drying. When you start making chapatis, make it into small balls. Here, for 2 cups of ragi flour, I have got 10 balls. Roll it and make a chapati. I am dusting it with ragi flour. Once it's rolled, put immediately in hot tawa. Tip 6. Do not roll all at same time to avoid sticking with each other. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and cook on both the sides in a medium flame. When the chapati rises, press the corners with the ladle and cook them evenly. Hot ragi chapati is ready to serve. It can be accompanied by any type of curries and raita. The health benefits of ragi is it's a whole grain that is gluten free. It is rich in fiber that helps with weight loss and diabetics. It's packed with calcium, good carbs, amino acids and vitamin D. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Dharani Delights. Thanks for watching.